Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Google Flow not working in 2026. Now, if Flow is stuck on the loading screen or if it is stuck at like 99% or not generating your videos or showing any kind of errors, you can immediately try these fixes that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to make sure that Flow is actually enabled for your account. Now, some accounts only get Flow access with the specific plans or workspace access. So if you don't even see the Flow features, try switching to one account to another and check it again. Now, sometimes when you are working on the generation of videos and images, you forget to calculate the credits. So every single month you are going to get free credits, which you can check out by clicking on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So as you can see, I currently have 160 AI credits available. So sometimes when we are working, when these credits just vanish, you just have to upgrade in order to get more credits. And at that time, the generation process also stops. So you need to keep this thing in mind as well. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply switch to a supported web browser profile. So if your Flow isn't working in your Chrome web browser, you can just simply open any other web browser. So it can be Edge or it can be Firefox, let's say, and you need to open your Flow account there and see if it is working properly there or not. If you find that your Flow is working in Firefox more than Chrome, you just have to basically provide your login credentials there and you need to start using it. So you can also basically go for the extensions. So if you are using Flow in your Chrome web browser, you can come here on Chrome / extensions page. So it is going to show you the list of all of the extensions that are available on your device. So here you can disable any one of these that you think is causing problem. Most probably the ad blockers cause the problem and the VPNs as well. So you can click on this toggle button and you can remove the extensions from here. After that, simply reload your page and see if it is working or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.